Snapchat has a new feature that allows users to play games within the app. You can play these games with your friends right in your chats, or join a group of guest players if your friends aren't available. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to find and play games on Snapchat. Now let's get started. First of all, let's go over where the games can be found. Currently, you can only play Snap games within a chat. To play a game with a friend or a group of your friends, open your chat with them. If you want to play without your friends, just start a chat with yourself. When you open a chat, you'll see a rocketship icon on the right side above the keyboard. Tap the rocketship to access Snap games. Here you'll see what games are available, like Tiny Royale, Snake Squad, and Bitmoji Party. The games you see may vary based on how many people are in your chat and what device you have. Tap play beside a game to start playing. The game you've selected will launch. Instructions for how to play the game will appear on your screen the first time you open it. Just follow the instructions to play whichever game you've selected. There will either be buttons on your screen or tap gesture controls. They can take some getting used to, so expect to have to try a few times before you really get the hang of it. This spin session minigame in Bitmoji Party is super tough. When you're done playing a game, tap the X in the bottom right corner to stop playing. Tap Leave Game to close it out. Once you've played a game in a certain chat, the game icon will stay in your chat, so when you come back, it'll be easy for you and your friends to get back into the game. That's everything you need to know to find and play Snap games on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.